So we decided to make a fun little pit stop on the way home to Providence Canyon State Park. So I hope to be showing you some awesome shots for that today. It's just unbelievable to think that this is in our backyard. Some facts about Providence Canyon is it's on a 1,003-acre state park in Lumpkin, Georgia, and it's actually called the Little Grand Canyon. It is also considered one of the 7 natural wonders of Georgia. What's interesting is the cause of Providence Canyon is from poor farming practices during the 1800s. I wanted to say really quick, thanks for continuing to watch this video. If you think about it, please just put a comment down below what you liked or didn't like about the video. I'm really trying to grow this channel and I would love to know what you think. Thanks! There are no camping facilities in Providence Canyon. However, you can do a backpacking overnight stay on the trail. My husband was just pointing out that this is a perfect example of what is going on at Providence Canyon State Park with all of the erosion. We were coming down through the trail and I noticed this part here where it looks like a lot of water has come through, and then he pointed out, I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it, that basically the fencing barrier had to be moved back because the cliff edge is eroding away. And so they had to move the barrier back. See where that's where it used to be, and there's just nowhere for it to be there anymore. So it's an ever constant state of erosion at this park. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I would love to keep making videos for you. Again, if you think about it, please put a comment down below of what you like or didn't like about the videos so that I can grow and get better at making my videos, and I will catch you on the next hike.